Hello YouTube! Today I'm going to be finally making a video I've been planning for about 5 years. And that is, I'm going to be showing you these taser glove things I made when I was like 14 or 15 or something like that. So yeah, back then I was actually quite a scary kid. I used to make these powerful taser things and then bring them into school and electrocute my friends with it. But I never ended up making a video about them, so that's what I'm going to do today.
This video is sponsored by Plumber Sex.
I made quite a few tasers at the time, but the main ones were the gloves, mainly consisting of the Mark 1 and the Mark 2. I kind of had a weird phase of making weapons at that age, like making this, and this rocket launcher thing. Oh, and before anybody asks about this, that's where I accidentally put my hand through a window when I was drunk. The very first one I made was this, and it's essentially an oven glove linked to a bug zapper. I probably made this when I was about 14. I would show it to you working, but unfortunately it's a complete dud now. Now this is the Mark II, obviously the one I'm a lot more proud of. It's made of an old paintball glove, and I essentially just installed a simple voltage multiplier circuit in there. I also gave it some LEDs that at least used to indicate which finger most of the current was actually going through. And the best thing about this is it's a lot more compact than the other one. This one's also very easy to put on. You just undo the Velcro strap, slip your hand in, and do it back up again. And the batteries just fit in the side right here. This one also obviously has much better position contact points than the other one, and it's got 2 on the palm here, and also on the end of the index finger you've got 2 pokey points. That was very fun at school. This would normally get up to about 3,500 volts, which is really not that much, but it's very old now, so I don't really know what it does. To turn it on, you just flick this switch on the side here, red light comes on the back, and then it's ready to go. Now there's quite light in here, I'll just switch the lights out so you can probably see it a bit better. There we go. See if I can show you any of the LEDs on the back. Oh, kind of see that, kind of not. It used to work quite a bit better, but oh well, it's many years old now. I do also have this ranged Nerf gun taser here that I made a bit more recently. This is a hell of a lot of fun at uni.
Save the bitch!
Batteries are running out.
Taste the bitch!
But unfortunately it's a bit broken at the moment, so I might put this in another video. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, drop a like and see you soon.